I land in Bali just as the sky starts to glow peach and gold. I grab my small camera, toss my bag over my shoulder, and chase the light. The ocean is louder here. At Uluwatu, waves slam the cliffs like a heartbeat, and I edge closer, shoes in hand, salt on my lips. I dip my toes in, breathe in that clean electric air, and it hits me. I'm far from home and exactly where I want to be. I ride a scooter along palm-lined roads, wind in my face, the whole island flickering by. Temples, rice paddies, kids laughing, a dog asleep in a doorway. I follow the sun to a quiet stretch of beach, black sand glittering like stardust, and just listen. Morning breaks at a local market in Ubud. It's a symphony. Bargains called out, the clack of scales, the pop of chili in a hot pan. I sample everything. Nasi campur with crispy bits, sate lilit smoky, and sweet pepes ikan steamed in banana leaf. A vendor hands me a bright green laklak rice cake, coconut and palm sugar melting into afternoon. I sip strong Balinese coffee and feel time slow down. By noon, I'm barefoot in Canggu, watching surfers carve silver lines across a glassy wall. The horizon keeps resetting itself, every set a new beginning. I float, weightless, and the world goes quiet. Sunset in Seminyak paints the clouds tangerine. I eat mee goreng at a roadside stall, the wok hissing like rainfall, and laugh with strangers over sambal that bites back. A guitar drifts from somewhere down the beach, and lanterns bloom like small moons. Night wraps the island in warm velvet. I whisper a thank you to the tide, to the market, to the hands that cooked my dinner. I came for beaches, I found stories, and tomorrow, I'll chase a few more.